Imagine that you are now creating a fun children's story with beautiful colors, attractive characters, a relaxing narrator's voice.
Once upon a time, there lived a tiny hedgehog named Pip. Pip loved to explore, unlike the other hedgehogs. One morning, Pip found a golden leaf. It whispered, "Whoever carries me will find what they need." Pip carried the leaf into the glowing forest.
And the best part? This story didn't take more than a few minutes to create. I didn't use a design team nor complex editing software. All of this was done using just one AI tool and with a single click. And most importantly, you can create stories like these and sell them to generate real income. Now, the important question, are there people who buy digital children's stories? The answer, yes, and a lot. For example, platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip. Children's stories in video format are sold as digital products, or educational content, or even bedtime stories. Some sellers achieve a stable monthly income, or recurring sales of the same video. And here comes the power of MagicLight, because it turns an idea into a ready video quickly and without complexity. I will leave the link in the first comment and in the description box for the free trial. And before we continue, I'd like to tell you that I will be giving away 3 free MagicLight subscriptions, so make sure to watch the video until the end, follow the channel, and leave a comment below. After registering, we ask ChatGPT for a random story. As you can see, it immediately writes the full story. I copy it, then go back to MagicLight and choose Kids Story to Video. Then in the Story Topic field, I either paste the story exactly as it is from ChatGPT, or I just give it a story idea only. You are free to choose. You don't need to be a professional writer. MagicLight takes care of the rest. Then comes the next step, which is story customization. Here we can choose the story style, realistic, 3D cartoon, Disney, Pixar, and others. Aspect ratio, video duration. The story can reach up to 30 minutes or even more, and this is customizable too. Of course, the language as well, and the story model, where Gemini 3 has been added to the list. And for the video model, you have many options like Halio, Seedance, Kling, narrator voice, male or female with different tones. Everything is done in just a few clicks. We reach the final step, which is generating the story video. We click on Create Video and wait a little. And here is the result, a complete children's story. Video plus images plus voice, with a title, a summary, and hashtags ready to be published or sold directly. But MagicLight doesn't stop there. Here we have a very powerful feature called One-Click Video, Sora 2, which literally means creating a full animated film with just one single click. You enter the one-click video page, and all you have to do is write an original story with at least one main character, or even just a simple idea. And the tool takes care of the rest. The feature here is that it creates a complete animated video with a narrator's voice, with lip sync, mouth movement synchronized with the speech, and with dynamic camera movements as if you're watching a real movie. And you can choose the video style from an amazing list such as 3D cartoon, JoJo, Shinkai, Ghibli, Disney, 90s, anime, Pixar, clay, picture book, radiation. And all of this is powered by a strong engine called Sora 2. You write the story in the box, up to 3,000 characters. You click on Create Video, and that's it. The video is generated automatically. And what's even better, you have a huge library of ready-made templates, real stories published by other users, such as children's stories, educational stories, romantic stories, motivational stories, anime stories, horror stories, which means you can use them as inspiration or recreate them in your own style, or even build a whole channel based only on this type of videos. And here we realize that MagicLight is not just a children's story tool, but a complete content factory through which you can create faceless YouTube channels, TikTok and Reels pages, digital products, educational courses, paid stories. You can explore more features after registering on the website. I highly recommend you try MagicLight. You will find the trial link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment, because I will randomly choose 3 people, as I always share real ways to make money with AI.